In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a photo collage in Canva. Creating a collage can be a fun and creative way to showcase your favorite memories, and Canva makes this process incredibly easy and user-friendly. Whether you're creating a collage for personal use, for social media, or even as a special gift, this tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring that you have a beautiful collage by the end. Let's get started by heading over to Canva's homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to type the word collage into the search bar. Doing this will bring up a broad range of predefined templates, perfect for kicking off our project. Canva offers a multitude of options, from simple grids to more ornate designs. Take your time exploring these templates as you consider what fits best with your vision. When you find a template that catches your eye, simply click on it to make your selection. This will open the template in a new window, granting you the opportunity to customize it to your liking. Canva is wonderfully flexible, allowing you to change the layout, adjust colors, and personalize text. This versatility makes it an ideal tool, regardless of your creative needs or preferences. Keep in mind, choosing a template that aligns with your personal style can make a significant impact on the finished product. Once you've selected a template, it's time to tailor it to your liking. Look for the option that says, "Customize this template," and give it a click. This is where you can truly let your creativity shine, infusing your personal touch into the design. Feel free to get creative, shift elements around the canvas, modify text, or add embellishments that enhance the theme or mood you're aiming for. Next, it's time to add your photos to the collage. On the left-hand panel of Canva, you'll spot an option called Uploads. Clicking on this allows you to upload your own images. These could be personal photos from your computer or images you've collected from elsewhere. A neat feature Canva provides is the ability to upload multiple images at once, which can be a real time saver. With your photos uploaded, it's as simple as dragging and dropping each image into the specified spots on your template. Canva's drag and drop feature is user-friendly, making it effortless to position each photo precisely where you want it. If an image doesn't fit quite right, you can utilize the resizing handles to adjust it accordingly. Take your time here, experimenting with the arrangement until you're pleased with how everything looks. And there you have it. Once you're satisfied with your collage, you're ready to download it. Canva allows you to choose from various formats and resolutions, perfect for printing or sharing online. Creating a photo collage with Canva is not only swift, but also a delightful way to express your creativity and relive cherished moments. Happy creating, and enjoy showcasing your memories in a beautifully crafted collage.